Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is Scarlett with Scarlett's Little Crafty Corner, and today I have got a Diamond Art Club unboxing. Now, this is the first Diamond Art Club canvas that I have gotten in a while, but I went ahead and I got my birthday points and I had a bunch of points accumulated, so I went ahead and used them. So basically, I didn't get it for free, but I did get quite a bit off of this canvas. And I've had this in my wish list among other canvases, but I went ahead and got this one. It is a round, and it is, if I can get this up here, it is the tree frogs. So we are going to open this up. We're going to get the plastic off of it anyway. And I hope everybody's having a great day, and I hope everybody's doing well. So, let me bring this down just a tad. So, this is Tree Frogs by, and I'm probably going to jack this name all up, Corbert, Gauthier, maybe? I don't know. Anyway, it is a 56 by 66 centimeter, and it does have an AB. And you know it's round because it has the pink round symbol on it, plus it has the pink stripe that goes around the box. And on the back of the box, it's going to show you how it works, which, you know, it just tells you how to diamond paint. And it has the kit contents in it. And then again, it shows you the pink stripe. And it also has a QR code to unlock a 10% off coupon. So, let's open this up. Now, this is not a new release by no means. This has been out for a while. It's not an old kit, but it's not a new release or anything. So, in the box, you, of course, get your little bitty sticker of the tree frogs. Isn't it cute? I just love it. I don't know what it is about this picture. I just really love the picture. So, you know what? Let's go ahead and open this up and be letting it relax before I open that toolkit up. Now, Diamond Art Club has, their canvases are very soft, and it's made out of, what is it called, tarpaulin or something like that, that it flattens by itself, and it has these scalloped edges, so it keeps it from fraying, and it is so pretty, and it's a great size, y'all. It is such a good size. It's not too big and it's not too small. It's just a really good size canvas. So, okay. Well, let's just go ahead and look at this real quick and get it out of the way. I haven't shown a Diamond Art Club canvas in so long that I'm out of sync doing it. Okay, so ooh, everything's in there good and tight. Just a second. Sorry about that. That was my husband calling. Alright, so, back to this. So, you get, in your toolkit, you get a bag full of baggies. You get some washi tape, and what does that say? I don't know what that says, but it's cute. And I got a little sunflower cover minder. And then you get a little caddy, heart-shaped caddy of wax. And you get, what is it, 2 things of wax in there? Okay. You get a little squishy and a pen, and you don't know what color squishy or what color pen you're going to get, and you don't know what color or what washi tape or cover minder you're going to get either. So those are a mystery. And then you get a boat with a spout, and it comes with a stopper. You also get the good multi-placers. You get a 4 and is this a 7? Yes, a 7 placer. So that is your toolkit. I'm just going to shove all that back in there. Like I said, it's been so long since I've shown a Diamond Art Club canvas that I'm just like, duh. Okay, so anyway, there's that. So, in your kit, you get the big sticker also, and it's going to have your title of your canvas, which is Tree Frogs. It's going to have your author, or your artist on here, which is Corbert, Gauthier. I'm so sorry. Anyway, it's got your start date, your end date. It's got a picture of your canvas. It's got that it's a round. It's a 56 by 66 centimeter, and it does have an AB. It's got your schematic over here. It's got the stickers are individual, so that you can, take these off and put them on either your baggies or your containers. And it's even got some blank ones over here that you can use if you need to. It's got 54 colors. They all have a DMC code on it. And it looks like we have 1, 2, 3, 4 ABs. So, all right. Then we have the thank you letter, and it's just a thank you for your purchase, and it just lets you know what is included in your kit. It has your tips and tricks. It has your QR codes for a video and for the VIP Facebook group, and your step-by-step instructions, and then of course that's your QR codes for what I just said. Alright, so let's look at the drills real quick. Look at the colors. These are so pretty. I think that was one reason I liked this kit. It's just the colors were so eye-catching. So here is one of the ABs, which is 100, and I'm going to bring y'all down so that the light is just a little bit better. So, isn't that pretty? So that is 100, and then here's the second AB, or no, that's not, duh. There's the second AB, 125. Let me get these flipped around. But look at the greens. Oh my goodness. So many greens. There's 2 bags of 703. 2 bags of 700. 2 bags of 996. Look at all the greens. Okay. And then there's 1 bag of 310s. Aren't those pretty? Look at that purple. It's so pretty. Oh, here's an AB. 141. Okay, and then here's the last train. Boy, there's hardly any in there. In those bags. Look at that pink. Isn't that pretty? Yeah, I just really liked the colors. Here's another AB 130. Those are pretty. Okay. So I'm going to pause and put these back in the bag. Okay. That took me about 15 minutes, but for you, it was only like a half a second. Alright, so let's look at the canvas. So, I'm going to pull you back up just a little bit. So, on the canvas, on the bottom, we have got the thumbnail, which is the tree frogs. And then, of course, it tells you what it is. It tells the size. It tells the artist and Diamond Art Club. In the middle on the bottom, it has the Diamond Art Club. Take 10, it has their Facebook and their Instagram. And then it has over here their warranty information. It has the schematic on the bottom right, top left, and on the top it says, "Do What Makes You Sparkle, Diamond Art Club." So, I'm going to bring it back down. Sorry about the light glare. And, of course, it's clear as can be. But let's look and see where the ABs are. So, we are looking for 1, 2, 3, and 4. So, 1 is that green, which are in the tree, in the leaves. All throughout the leaves. There's some in the frog. Through these leaves. I tell you, if there wasn't any in the frog, I'd be disappointed. There's some scattered throughout these leaves. And through here. Okay. So now we are looking for number 2, which is kind of the white. So I'm figuring it's going to be just sprinkled everywhere also. So I'm looking. Okay. So here's the 2s. Just kind of through there. And then here. So I guess that's like in the clouds. The 2s are in the clouds. Okay. And then the 3s are yellow. So the 3s are in the frogs. Kind of like outlining the lip of the frog. Yeah. Just kind of outlining the frogs. Through here. His leg. And his lip. Around his eye. And then number 4 is another white. So here's some 4 right here in the arm. And then here's some 4 in the lip of the frog. In the leg of the frog. Right in here. Just kind of outlining the frog. It's just making the frog kind of pop. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. So, it's just highlighting the frogs. Let's see. I think that's about the only place I'm seeing number 4 is just in the frogs. So, that's pretty cool. So, has anybody else gotten this and done it? And if so, what did you think about it? I just really like it. I don't know why. I guess because it's just so colorful and whimsical, and it's different. It's not something I would normally get, but I really like it. I really do. So, alright, y'all. So, leave me a comment below. Let me know what you think. And, do all the YouTubey things. And don't forget about my Etsy shop, Just Mind Your Business. And, yeah, so I appreciate everyone watching. And until my next video, I will see you all later. Bye, y'all.